How to connect Bluetooth mouse with MacBook. So let's get started. I am at MacBook. Here you can see a logo. Click it here. Here you can see system settings. Click it here. Here you can see Bluetooth, or you can search it here, Bluetooth. Click it here. Enable this Bluetooth. Now take the mouse and turn it on. Here you can see blue light. Now to connect this with Bluetooth, I need to press this button, connect. Every mouse has different features to connect with MacBook. Here you can see after pressing this button, now you can see the mouse has appeared in the Bluetooth. Now we simply need to click on connect. It has connected now. As you can see, it has connected. Now you can see it is working. So this is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.